Welcome to everyone. In this video we have to solve one problem in rank correlation coefficient. So let's solve the problem number 18. So question is 10 competitors are in a beauty contest are ranked by 3 judges in the following order. Okay, so first judge is ranked like that, and second judge ranked like that, and third judge. So there are 3 judges ranked by 10 competitors. Okay, so the rank will be differ from judge 1 to 2 and 1 to 3, 3 to 1. Okay, so like that. So we have to use the rank correlation coefficient to determine which pair of judge has the nearest approach to common test in the beauty. Okay, so we have to find the pair. So which pair of judges having the nearest approach. Okay, so for that we are going to solve this problem by rank correlation coefficient method. So first we have to find the rank correlation between first and second. Okay, and then we are going to find the rank correlation between second and third, and then we are going to find the rank correlation between third and first. Okay, so for these three values, so which one is a maximum, so that pair of judges having the same approach, okay, has the same common approach. Okay, so for that we have to find the rank correlations coefficient between first and second, second and third, and first and third. Okay, you can change the order because we are finding the d square only, no, so just we want a difference. So okay, so I am going to find the d square. So it is a common difference between r1 and r2. Okay, so d square, so find the difference and then square the term. Okay, so for 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, so minus 2 square is 4. Okay, so 6 minus 5 is 1, so 1 square is 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3, so minus 3 square is 9. Okay, simultaneously you find all the values. Okay, so here is 36 and 9, and then 8 square is 64. 2 square is 4. 7 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8, so 64, and then 1 here and here 0. Okay, so and then we have to find the value of d square. So that is the difference between r square and r cube, r3. Okay, so 3 minus 6 minus 3, that is 9. So 1 again 1, 6, 36, 4 here. 4 4s are 16, and 36, 64, 1, 81, 1, 4. Okay, so for that next we have to find summation d squares. Okay, for all the entries. So here the total sum is 200, and here is 214. You can check that. Okay, so next we have to find the value of r1 minus r3 the whole square. Okay, so that is 1 minus 1 minus 16, 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. So 25 minus 5 square is 25, and 4, 16, 4, 4, 0, and 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 1 is also 9 minus 10 is also 1, and 2 square is 4, and then 1. Okay, so next we have to find the squares. So that is 60. You can check it. Okay, So first we have to find the rank correlation between first and second. Okay, so the formula is, so here 10 is how many competitors are there? So there are 10 competitors. So rank R equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. Otherwise you can use this formula, n cube minus n. Okay, so that is 1 minus 6 into 200 divided by 1000 minus 10. So that is, which is equal to 1 minus 6 into 200, that is 1200 divided by 990. Okay, so which is equal to 1 minus 1.212, so that is minus 0.212. Okay, so the rank correlation coefficients lies between 1 minus 1 less than or equal to r is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so it may be a negative value. Okay, but greater than minus 1. So next we have to find the rank correlation between second and third. Okay, so that is r equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n cube minus n. So that is 1 minus 6 into summation d square for the difference between the rank second and third. Okay, so second and third is 214 divided by, so the same, the denominator 990. Okay, so which is equal to 1 minus 1.297. So you can solve this one. So 1 minus 1.297, so which is equal to 0.297. Okay, so next we have to find the rank correlation between first and last. So that is r equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n. So that is 1 minus 6 into summation d square. So here summation d square is 60 divided by 990. So that is 1 minus 360 divided by 990. Okay, so which is equal to 1 minus, so you can solve this, so you can get 0.364. Okay, so that is equal to 0.636. Okay, so now we are going to compare these three values. Okay, so this value and this value and this value. So which one is maximum? Yes, this is the maximum, 0.636. Okay, so we finally we get judge first and third has the common approach. Okay, thank you girls.